So I don't believe that any nation will say that it started with homosexual. It was pressure groups that mounted over the years. So I guess that instead of politicizing the issue, instead of just opening up for so many comments, and sometimes even to the extent of condemning the president, he did not state his position. No, the president was emphatic that this is a cultural issue and this is not Ghanaian. He made that one very clear. But as whether it is bound to happen, what did he mean? So maybe the press would have gone further to interview the president.
Wondering how students who copied during examinations started? Well, the Jirapa District Director of the Ghana Education Service, Rachel Derry, believes students who